Hi there, my Los Fresnos colleagues. Today I'm going to introduce you to the new Google Sites. I am super excited. I want to take some of you back memory lane if there are any colleagues here who are old school like me. How many of you remember the professional portfolio? I know that I had several. And there's some that were very fancy. They had tabs on them, had pictures, certificates, you name it. The same thing for our students. When we ask our students to create reports and to submit documents, they would probably submit something like this. I am very excited to share that now with new Google Sites, we can actually build a website, create professional portfolios, presentations, we can share. The sky is the limit. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay. Once I am in my Google link here, I'm going to go to Sites. It's blue. Do you see it right here? I'm going to click on Google Sites. Make sure that if you are in Los Fresnos that you actually have this available to you. If you do not have the new Google Sites available to you, please contact us ASAP. I am going to click on the new Google Sites. Yay! And this is where I have all of my different Google Sites, whether it's a sample product or it's a project that I'm working on, or if it's a portfolio, everything is here and it is saved. Let's create one first and then we can look at it. I want you to go all the way to the bottom right hand corner. Do you see right here where it says create new site? Click on that. And once you are here, up at the very top, do you see where it says untitled site? This is where you are going to name your site. You can give it your name. You could give it your, if it's a student, the student name, the class name, you name it. I am going to type in here, video for session LFCISD. Okay, there you go. Over here, that's the name of it. You see how it is here? Okay, now I have a choice. I can add a logo or I can add a picture. I am going to upload. Now, upload means that I am going to take something from my own computer if I select something that is available through here. But I'm going to upload because I want to have the district logo. I'm going to put it here. And there you go. Looks super nice. Here is where I'm going to title my page. New Google Sites session. I can choose to make this a little bit longer on the side, like so. And here also, I can also change the image, okay? In this case, I am not going to upload something that I have. I am going to select an image. Now, there's certain things that I could do. I could actually select an image that is already here, or I can search the website. I can search my Google Drive. I can search my albums and find anything that I'm looking for. For now, let's search. I'm going to type in computers. And let's just say this is what I choose. I am going to scroll down, click on select, and there you go. Here it is. How beautiful is that? I'm also able to change the header type. I can go super large. This is the banner, and then I could take off the picture on the back and it would be the title only. Okay, now what am I going to do with this amazing portfolio? Well, I need to add text. I need to add information, and here is everything that I need to make this digital portfolio or website or presentation pop. I'm going to start with my text box. I can start with ideas and suggestions. You see here to the left, I can decide to trash it if I don't want it. I could duplicate it, and here is where I can select the background. Again, I can add another image, I can emphasize it, I can make it regular, or I can add a color. Other options that I have, I am able to embed a link, an image I can upload. I can also go to my Drive and add a document. I can go to my Google Docs, and let's try here. I can go to my Google Docs and select something from here. Let's click on this, and I'm going to insert it, and it pops up here. I can do the same thing with my forms, with my Google Forms, with my charts. Now let's talk about up here to the right. We have pages and themes. Okay. If I want to add another page, which means something that's going to add on to this, all I have to do is go to my pages. And you see here on the bottom, I would add my page. So if here I'm talking about new Google site session, the second page could be how to actually create one for a student or a cluster, etc., etc. I can also go to my themes up here and choose to change this section here to give it a pop. My personal favorite is the Diplomat, and if I click on that, it just changes things for me. If I go up here, I'm able to see the preview, how somebody else would see it. I am also able to add editors, and I am also able to publish it. Once I publish it, I am the only one who decides who gets to see this site. I can choose either anybody from LFC ISD or anybody out in the web with my link. Okay, and for that, we will have different sessions to take you on that route. Right now, I just want you to dive in to your new Google Sites. Let's look at the preview. How beautiful is this? I'm going to scroll down. And of course, there's a lot of tricks, and there's a lot of other things that we can do for it with it. But for now, I want you to dive in and let me know if the new Google Sites is the site for you. Activate.